Audi RS5 vs BMW M4 competition package drag race is the fight of the downsized. The current incarnations of the Audi RS5 and the BMW M4 deserve a round of applause, with these German velocity monsters fighting to keep the performance banner up under the downsizing pressure. And while they might fight for the same cause, we mustn't forget the rivalry between them. And the latest adventure that showcases this involves a drag race between the two. We're looking at a good old quarter-mile battle involving a standing start, with this throwing an Audi RS5 and a BMW M4 competition package at each other. The hostilities were held by the gearheads over at the Motorists, with the South African aficionados striving to extract every bit of performance from the Uber coupes. Both the Audi and the BMW have dropped their V8 tiers in favor of twin-turbo 6-cylinder mills. The Ingolstadt machine comes with a 2.9-liter V6 packing 450 horsepower and 550 Nm, while sending its power to all four wheels. As for the Beamer, the 3.0-liter straight-six of the M car also turns out 450 horses, while offering 600 Nm, all in rear-wheel drive trim. Of course, the quattro nature of the Audi RS5 gives it a serious advantage during the takeoff phase of the race, with the BMW going for the mandatory pre-run burnout to ensure the rear tires deliver maximum traction for the start. What about the bigger picture? As an aficionado checking out this drag race, there are two questions that need to be answered. The first has to do with a machine that simply can't miss from such a velocity fight, namely the Mercedes-AMG C63S Coupe. After all, the Affalterbach Coupe packs a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 with 510 horsepower and 700 Nm. When it comes to the second question, this involves all these slabs of Germany duking it out using a rolling start.